Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can stay updated on future videos. So today, today we're going to go over the new project. I've had the car for maybe 2 months. The Ranger is gone that I was building. Legal issues, mad neighbors, not sure why, but they didn't like it sitting in my driveway, so I got rid of that. Picked up a 1986 Ford Mustang GT, true GT car, 5-speed, 5-liter. So motor's locked up. So we're going to go over motor that I got for the car that I'm working on building, and just some overall plans, just kind of an intro to this build. So, and then in future videos, you're going to see my time-lapse putting the motor together. Then we're going to swap the motor out, probably do a bunch of other stuff to the car. So, yeah, we're going to look at the motor. Alright, it is a 5-liter. It's actually out of a 1996 Explorer 5-liter. I primarily did that. The block is messed up on the other motor. So far the crank is in, the cam is in. I went with a Ford E303 cam. I'm trying to just stay like a sensible car with this. Comp double roller timing set. Other than that, the block's in really good shape. Cleaned it up. I still got to paint it, but I think I'm gonna wait till the heads are on it. So let's look at the heads. Alright guys, there's cylinder heads. Have not done much with them. I tried to clean them up. I got a spark plug that is completely broke off, so I'm going to figure out how to get that out. I've reached out to a couple companies about possibly putting some aluminum cylinder heads on, so we'll see what happens by that time if they get a hold of me. I do, with the cam, I need different springs, so I actually picked up a set of Alex springs. They're drop-in for GT40 heads. As you can see there, I'm doing a 320 pounds, so I got 580 lift. I can do max, which is more than enough for that cam. So, and then the other part of getting the Explorer motor, minus I'm not using the injectors, but get the actual GT40 intake, lower, upper, needs cleaned off. I'm EGR deleting, and then the elbow will be gone. I'm going to have to modify that throttle body with the stock GT throttle body to work with the throttle cable. So yeah, there's the pistons. My garage is a mess. There's one piston I'm going to start cleaning, and then new rings. I'm keeping it 5-liter, not boring it. You can still see the cross hatching of the block. Everything looked really good. There's a water pump, wife's Christmas presents. So, and then stack of parts. There's Cobra valve covers, new timing cover, obviously tune-up stuff, oil pump pickup. That's a high volume, dipstick. Bunch of random parts. There's a mass airflow sensor down there so I can convert it. Engine tech is all my gaskets and rings. New oil pan. Just a lot of stuff. Probably more stuff gonna have to come for it, but so yeah, let's go outside and look at the car. Alright guys, there she is. Silver and black. Chrome American Muscle wheels. Not sure if I like those. They call it a 4 headlights. So there's under the hood. This motor is locked up tighter than tight, so I'm just building a new one. It's going to drop it right in. But nothing too special here. It's in really, really good shape. Look inside of it. Interior is relatively clean. GT steering wheel, probably change that, go back to something stock. Short throw shifter. It's in actually really, really good shape for what it is. The one thing is, the floor pans are good, but the seats don't stay down, so I gotta figure out if the bolts are broke off. I need to drill them out, or I'll figure something out. Weather seals all need replaced. So if anybody wants to sponsor a video with weather seals, send me an email and we can talk. The trunk lid does have rust on it, but other than that, that's the car. All right, guys, here's the Mustang. Yeah, nothing special yet. I'm hoping to make it a nice running car. So, then after the Mustang is done and drivable, I have my Sierra that I'm hoping to get rid of cylinder deactivation and the variable valve timing. And if I'm going to be in there, do a camshaft, do some other stuff, trying to make it a wicked daily driver, something that's can still be driven on the street every day, including winter. So, actually, let's go out real quick and I'll show you that. Alright guys, this is my 2014 GMC Sierra. This is the one after the Mustang is running and drivable. This one is going to get put under the knife. Mainly get rid of DOD and the variable valve timing, but if I'm going to go that far, I'm going to maybe supercharge it or just leave it naturally aspirated and make something that's nasty. So keep it somewhat sensible since it is my daily driver. So yeah, so there's the GMC. So there's the truck. I do plan on taking out the spacer and the rear leaf springs to get it to sit level and lower to the ground. It has the L83 5.3 liter, not the 6.2, and a 6L80 6-speed. So I don't know what I'm doing with it yet, so I'm not going to try to go through the plans. So yeah, again, if you like this video and want to stay on top of it, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and we're going to start getting this motor together in the next few weeks. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.